Hey everybody, this is Lisa. I am here for a project share using this mini MDX die from Anna, who is My Crafting World Designs. So that is her information. And then, I got my extra die cuts in the back. But I was going to show you the back of her packaging. But I'll have everything in the description box. I have a discount code, which is LisaG10, so you can save 10% on your order. So this is the back of her packaging. So it says, thank you for your purchase. Tag me on social media for a chance to become a guest designer. So if you have purchased any dies from Anna, make sure you use this hashtag so she can go see what you're creating. And that's if you if you post your creations anywhere. So that is her information. And what I did with this die here, let me put my little die cuts back. This is like a scalloped piece, and you can see there, these are some tabs. I did not use the tabs in these projects, but here are the two pieces. You get a scalloped, and then you get a stitched layering piece for your mini MDX. Put these back so I don't lose nothing, because that has happened more than once. So I'm gonna share this one first. And what I did is Anna posted a video, and she made something very similar, but hers was only one, like a flip album. So I put two together. These are just some little plastic rings. They kind of come apart like this, and they're really small. They're really small, but they're cute, and they come on like a long piece, but they're plastic, so you can cut them off and use them how you want to. So this is what I did. So anyway, I will have Anna's video linked below to show you what inspired me to do this. Now, I have 2 daughters, and I also have 2 grandchildren. So I could do, like one daughter on this side and one on this side, or grandkids. Ever how I decide to use this. So all I did is decorate the front. I may put like initial, on each one of these for ever who I use it for. And it just flips over. And I did do the back. And I used all the paper that I used it to where it was not directional paper. You could do it anyway. See, like this, those watermelons and flowers go all different directions. But so both sides are the same. I'm gonna put that back in there. See, as far as the paper. Now this paper is the name of it is A Slice of Summer. This is a digital paper, and I don't know if it's a Cartabella or Echo Park, but I got it from the Echo Park website. And it was the oh gosh, what's the name of that? They do it on Wednesday, to where they have digital files that are only $1. Oh, click. Oh my gosh. I'll have it linked below. I can't remember the name of it right off, but I will link it below. But it's only on Wednesdays, to where you can get the paper for collections for $1. And it's not any. It's like which ones they have up for that Wednesday. I love that paper right there, the little watermelons. So you just flip it, flip it, flip it, and I have, I don't know, 7 or 8 of these on each side. But I thought that was really cute. I loved Anna's little idea. But my folks comes in twos, so I either do the daughters or the grandkids. And I just put my little flowers on the front with some leaves. And that's how I did that. Now, this is how I did the back. I did not glue it together. So if I want to take it apart and lay it flat, I can do that. If I decide to gift it, you know, I have options. So I'm going to set that there. So the next thing that I did is this little embellishments book out of the Mini MDX. Now, there's so many dies that you do not have to use them for the way that they're made to be used. You don't have to, you can create, a different way. But when I did this, I was like, oh, that's really wide. It's really wide. So I still kept it and I still used it, and I did it in like an embellishment book. So right here, I made a little bag topper right there. And this is just put on with a glue dots or repositional. Right here is some little watermelon popsicles. This one is a pen. You can see the back right there. So that is a pen on that page. Of course, this is watermelon theme. Here is some more little different cabochons, lollipops. Here's another bag topper there. And then on the back, here is another pen of a watermelon style popsicle. And then that's the back. So I was thinking, well, that's really wide to be so small. But I still like it. And then on the side, I just did put a little watermelon charm and some beads and some chain. So I did it like that. And then I wanted to make a slimmer one. So I made this one here. And I just put some more little flowers on the front. I love this watermelon seed paper. It's probably one of my favorites out of the collection. And here, I didn't do nothing to the inside. It's, pretty slim, but this could be used as like to put photos. And I just did it like that. And how I did this, I just scored the memory decks to right above the little holes. I scored it, and when I put it, I glued it down. I just did it like that. As you can see, that fits, in there. But it, just for 3 pages, that was really wide. So the second time I did it, I did the same thing, but I just trimmed it down to get the more narrow book with still 3 pages. So you can see the big difference of how wide your book is if you leave it like this and glue it on, or if you cut that in half and then do it. So that's just how I did it, but you can play around and you can do it as wide as you want. I love it. It has the layering piece. On the embellishment book, I just left it white on the inside, but I love the stitched look to it. But that is a few little projects that I use with the Mini MDX that you can find over at My Crafting World Designs. And don't forget your coupon code, LisaG10. And I will have everything in the description box And I thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video.